Why it's illegal to put your ice cream in your pocket in America. Yes, you heard that right. In Alabama, it is, believe it or not, technically illegal to carry an ice cream cone in your back pocket. There's a story behind this law, a story rooted in a bygone era, and a surprising misunderstanding that became legend. Our tale takes us back to the days when horses weren't just animals, they were livelihood and a considerable investment. These animals had one particular weakness. They loved sweets, and nothing, it seemed, was more irresistible than a cold, sugary ice cream cone. A cowboy, perhaps riding into town for a much-needed treat. He dismounts, perhaps ties his horse, and decides to indulge in a refreshing ice cream. Where does he put it while he's busy with his horse, or perhaps stepping into a general store? In his back pocket, of course, a convenient, seemingly harmless spot. But herein lay the danger. A horse, with its keen sense of smell, would quickly detect the sweet aroma, and before our cowboy could say "Yee-haw," that horse would lean in, take a bite. This wasn't just a minor inconvenience. A startled horse could buck, bolt, or even injure itself or others. It was a safety hazard and a very real problem for the communities of Alabama. So, out of a genuine concern for public safety, animal welfare, and the well-being of its citizens, a law was passed, not specifically to target ice cream, but to prevent the distraction and potential danger that arose when a horse attempted to snatch a sweet treat from a person's back pocket. It wasn't about denying anyone a delicious dessert. It was about preventing a horse from getting a surprise sugary snack, and in doing so, causing an accident. The back pocket was singled out because it was the most common and accessible spot for a horse to reach. Now, here's an interesting twist. While the law technically exists, it's rarely, if ever, enforced today. With the decline of horses as primary transportation, the specific danger it addressed has largely vanished. It stands as a charming relic of a bygone era, a testament to a time when laws were often crafted to solve immediate, practical problems in everyday life. Another reason why this weird law exists. Thieves knew that horses have a massive sweet tooth. By sliding a sugary ice cream cone into their back pocket and walking away, they didn't have to use a rope or a whip. The horse would simply follow the scent, lured away by a treat it couldn't resist. When caught, these thieves would look a judge in the eye and say, "I didn't steal him, Your Honor. He just followed me home." To protect families from losing their means of survival, the law had to step in. They made the lure itself a crime. So, the next time you're enjoying a delightful ice cream cone in Alabama, remember the intention behind the law. Let me know your thoughts. Follow for more.